It's ATUNWEWO. Never mind.
Okay, so give me a second. All right, so I see all of you, and if you can see me, we'll get started. Okay, let's make this bigger so you all can see. All right, so part one is a warm-up. This is hello, which is basically hello. And from now on, I'm not going to speak English at all, okay? Are you all listening? I'm not going to speak English, and I need you to unmute yourself. James, pull your camera down if you can. And if you know you have any background noise, I need you to mute yourselves, but I would like you to, I prefer that you not mute yourself so I can hear you, okay? All right? Okay. So I'm going to ask you questions and I need you to respond. I'm going to ask a person to respond. I'm not going to speak English. I'm starting. Kini orúkọ rẹ? Kini orúkọ yín? Kini orúkọ ẹ? I'm going to mention this in English. You learned this last week. Kini orúkọ rẹ? Ta ló fẹ́ dáhùn? Kini orúkọ rẹ?
Excuse me?
Kini. It's right here in English. Kini orúkọ rẹ? Who wants to answer? Ta ló fẹ́ dáhùn? Kini orúkọ rẹ? If you know it, your hand up. Kini orúkọ rẹ? Okay, Kayode.
Is it Kini Orúkọ Kayode?
Orúkọ mi ni Kayode. Or Kayode ni orúkọ mi. Kini orúkọ rẹ, James?
Orúkọ mi James.
Tàbí, or, that's what that is. Or what? How else can you say it? James, you can start with James.
So you start with my name and then you say Kini Orúkọ.
Kini means what, right? Kini orúkọ rẹ, what is your name? Orúkọ mi ni James. Or James ni orúkọ mi. Get it? Okay. Inú mi dùn láti mọ̀ ẹ́. Or what is the question?
So when on the second example, when you say like Kayode Kini Orúkọ, so yeah, which one?
Okay, so are you talking about the response?
Yeah, so like how do you know which one to use? Do you use re or e?
Okay, good question. So Kini orúkọ rẹ is like you, singular, you, or informal, not polite. And then Kini oru, or you can also say Kini orúkọ ẹ, as in this one, this letter here. But if you want to pluralize it or you want to be polite, you say Kini orúkọ yín. Like Kayode, if you would ask me, you wouldn't say Kini orúkọ rẹ or Kini orúkọ ẹ. You would say Kini orúkọ yín. Does that clear it up for you?
Wait, is in plural? In plural, right?
This is plural, yes. Plural, okay. And polite.
Got it. So wait, why would I ask you plural, but there's not multiple people?
Because just like if any one of you knows Spanish, there's a certain word for politeness, right? For you to be polite. And then it could also be singular, right? So in Spanish, for example, and I'm using that because some of you may have taken Spanish, you have informal and formal, and then you have a polite way of speaking, and then you have a not so polite way of speaking. So the reason why you would ask me, you will use ñi is because I am older than you and you're being polite. Okay.
Got it.
Does that clear it at all?
Yes.
Okay, good. Inú mi dùn láti mọ̀ ẹ́. This is that singular again. Inú mi dùn. So today we're not breaking down the meaning. We're just going to say so you can hear it. Inú mi dùn láti mọ̀ ẹ́. Don't worry about writing it down. If you want to, you can, but you don't have to worry about it. I'll provide it. Inú mi dùn láti mọ̀ yín. So I can say to all of you, Inú mi dùn láti mọ̀ yín. I'm pleased to meet you. I'm happy to meet you. Happy to see you. Good to see you. It all means inú mi dùn láti mọ̀ yín. Okay? Take a look at that. I'll be right back. Give me a sec. I'm gonna grab I am back. All right. Okay. Inú mi dùn láti mọ̀ yín. So this is all warm up. Next. Okay, ọmọdé is the word here. Ṣé ọmọdé ni ẹ́? Kayode, I see your hand up. So, ṣé ọmọdé ni ẹ́? Are you a child? You will answer ọmọdé ni mí. And I just need you guys to repeat it. You don't have to know it. Just repeat after me. Ṣé ọmọdé ni ẹ́?
Ṣé ọmọdé ni ẹ́?
You can see the meaning on the bottom. Ṣé obìnrin ni ẹ́?
Ṣé obìnrin ni ẹ́?
One more time. It didn't sound right. Ṣé obìnrin ni ẹ́?
Ṣé obìnrin ni ẹ́?
Ṣé o ga?
Ṣé o ga?
Right. So these are all questions. Ṣé, are you? Is it? So, ṣé o ga, are you tall? You guys laughing?
No, I banged my foot against my wall.
Oh no, I'm so sorry. Okay. Ibo lò ń gbé? So last time we learned, last time we learned about where you live, we said the city. So repeat after me. Ibo lò ń gbé?
Ibo lò ń gbé?
Kí ni ọjọ́ orí ẹ? Or kí ni ọjọ́ orí rẹ?
Kí ni ọjọ́ orí rẹ? Or kí
ni what? Kí ni? Come on. No, repeat after me. Kí ni?
Kí ni?
Ọjọ́ orí rẹ. Or you can say kí ni ọjọ́ orí yín. You see, that's that plural again, or politeness. Ọmọ ọdún mélòó ni ẹ́?
Ọmọ ọdún mélòó ni? I'm sorry.
No, you're good. You're good. Go ahead.
Okay. Ọmọ ọdún mélòó ni ẹ́?
Yep. Ọmọ ọdún mélòó ni ẹ́? That N, the N in ọdún, let's go back. This N is silent. You go ọdún. You don't say ọdún. Ọdún. Okay, repeat. Ọdún.
Ọdún.
Yep, that was good. So I'm gonna call on a person now. Okay, I think that's all our warm up. No, one more. Ṣé ọmọdé ni ẹ́? We've done that. Okay, so I think that's all the warm up. Okay, now. Okay. This says look and also listen. Wo kí o sì gbọ́. Wo is look. Gbọ́ is hear or listen. Fìlà.
Like the shoe.
Fìlà. Ẹ̀wù.
It's fila, like you just said. It's like the shoe.
Ẹ̀wù. I'm not hearing you guys.
Ẹ̀wù.
Yep.
We're gonna get
James.
the slide.
Ẹ̀wù. Diwura. Ẹ̀wù. Ẹ̀wù. I didn't hear that part. The last part. Ẹ̀wù. Yep. Ṣòkòtò. Ṣòkòtò. Yep. Okay, we already did that. He went back. Okay. Bàtà. Yep. Bàtà. Okay.
Bata.
Yep. Now let's practice. This says wo kí o sì gbọ́, look and also listen. This is the sign you give me when it is yes. So I'm missing some text here, but it's okay. Bẹ́ẹ̀ni, it means yes. This is bẹ́ẹ̀kọ́, which is no, okay? So I'm going to be asking you a question. Ṣé, remember ṣé is like is. Ṣé ẹ̀wù rèé is this. Ẹ̀wù, ṣé ẹ̀wù rèé. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni àbí bẹ́ẹ̀ kọ́. Dámilọ́lá.
Me, beko.
Okay, let's go back. My thing is too hasty. Okay. Bẹ́ẹ̀ kọ́. Yay. Dámilọ́lá got it. Okay. James. James. Bàtà. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni àbí bẹ́ẹ̀ kọ́.
Benny.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni, clap for James. Ẹ pàtẹ́wọ́ fún James. Okay. Diwúrà. Ṣìmí. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni àbí bẹ́ẹ̀ kọ́. I can't see you. Mi ò rí ẹ o. Mi ò rí ẹ. Ah. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni àbí bẹ́ẹ̀ kọ́.
Benny.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ kọ́. Kí leléyìí? Kí rèé? Diwúrà, what is this? Let's go back. Kí rèé?
Shimmy.
Kò kí ń ṣe ṣìmí. It is not a singlet. Kì í ṣe ṣìmí. Kí rèé? Káyọ̀dé. Kí rèé? Káyọ̀dé, kí rèé? What is this? Kí leléyìí? What is this one?
Is it
Kí rèé? Káyọ̀dé. Too soft.
Beko.
Okay, mute yourself. Kayode, do not mute yourself. All of you mute yourselves. I just want Kayode unmuted. Kayode, kí leléyìí? What is this?
Beko. Beko.
Okay. Beko, kò kí ń ṣe ṣìmí. It is not a singlet. Kí ni? What is it? Kí ni?
Ẹ̀wù.
Ẹ̀wù. Ẹ pàtẹ́wọ́ fún Kayode. Clap for Kayode. Yeah. Okay. We're going. I think we have one more. Who am I going to pick on next? James. Kí rèé? Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni àbí bẹ́ẹ̀ kọ́? Sorry. Fìlà. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni àbí bẹ́ẹ̀ kọ́?
Beko.
Okay, so who else? Ṣé James gbà? Did James get it right?
Beko.
Did Damilola get it right? Ṣé Damilola gbà?
No. I know what it is. That's not it.
I'm at the switch. Oh.
Okay, Damilola, dúró, wait. Dúró, wait. Dúró, Damilola, dúró. James, kí ni? Kí ni? Kí rèé?
Benny.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni. Kí leléyìí? Pé, kí rèé? Pé síta, call it out. Kí rèé?
Oh, fila.
Fìlà, bẹ́ẹ̀ ni. Okay. That's the end of our slideshow. So we have just 10 minutes. All right. So here are the questions that I got, or the sentences that I got. I didn't put any marking on them, but I just wanted to write them out for you, and I will send them out if you want and put the markings, the accent marks on them. So this is saying kí lo fẹ́ mọ̀. What do you want to know? Kí lo fẹ́ mọ̀. What do you want to know? All right. And my name is Damilola, and I like to play soccer. Damilola ni orúkọ mi. Okay, so that's one way you can say it. Damilola ni orúkọ mi. 1 second. And then you can also say, yes, sir. You can also say what? Damilola, I want you to read this. You can also, oh, what happened? No. Can you guys see it? Okay,
Nope.
let's see. All right, how about now?
Yes. Okay, that we can see it.
All right, so you can say Damilola ni orúkọ mi or orúkọ mi ni
Oh.
Damilola. Oh, come on. It's so sensitive. All right. Let's see. We're going to use our fingers and not the mouse. Okay. So you can say Damilola ni orúkọ mi or orúkọ mi ni Damilola, as I mentioned earlier on this call. And then the next part is what you like. Mo fẹ́ràn bọ́ọ̀lù. So we call ball bọ́ọ̀lù. Okay. Bọ́ọ̀lù àfẹsẹ̀gbá, the ball that is played with the leg. Okay. And again, Yoruba is a very descriptive language. So my name is Damilola and I like to play soccer translates to Damilola ni orúkọ mi or orúkọ mi ni Damilola. Mo fẹ́ràn bọ́ọ̀lù àfẹsẹ̀gbá. I love the ball that is played with the leg is what it literally means because Yoruba is descriptive. Does everybody understand that?
Yes.
All right. So the next one is Kayode. Kayode says, good afternoon. My name is Kayode. What is your name? So for this, I broke it down in plural and singular. So we go, ẹ káàsán. Now this is plural and polite. Ẹ káàsán. Orúkọ mi ni Kayode. Kí ni orúkọ yín? And you see, I pull plural and polite. Ẹ káàsán, or if you want to do singular and informal, you say káàsán. Orúkọ mi ni Kayode. Kí ni orúkọ ẹ? Or káàsán. Orúkọ mi ni Kayode. Kí ni orúkọ rẹ? Does that make sense?
Yeah.
You understand it? All right. Huh?
Beanie.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ni, kú iṣẹ́. Well done. Kú iṣẹ́. Okay. And the singular one is before you as well. The last one I have is from Makai. It says, my name is Makai and I want, that should say want. And I want to be able, no, sorry. I want to be good. I want to be a good Yoruba language speaker. So translation, Makai ni orúkọ mi or orúkọ mi ni Makai. Mo fẹ́ mọ Yorùbá sọ dáradára. I want to speak Yoruba very well, is what I translated it to. So thank you all for submitting your sentences to me. I hope you've enjoyed today's class.
Yes.
If you have any question for me before I go, let me know. Any question?